My name is Pawan Kumar. I got selected in Infosys company at package 3.6 LPA at the designation of system engineer. I have completed my 10th from Istamparan, Bihar and 78.8%, and my 12th from Bihar also, and I got 63%, and I am from 22 pass out, and till today I have 73 percentage, and I am from JP Institute of Engineering and Technology, Meerut, and I joined Jspider in August 2021. It's a good platform where you can learn many things and grab your dream jobs. I especially want to thank Sarik sir because before joining the Jspider, I didn't know the coding. He helps me a lot, and for Java, Uday sir teaching skill is very best. That's helped me a lot. Thank you.